From the farm, trucks depart for the Lay's mega factory. At intake, each load is logged and sampled. Probes verify starch and sugar levels. Approved loads proceed to unloading. At the farm, workers load potatoes for the journey to the mega factory. Upon arrival, each truck is logged, and samples are extracted for quality checks. Cleared loads are then unloaded for processing. After peeling, potatoes travel through trimming stations where mechanical cutters remove defects. Additional cameras verify surface integrity. Approved potatoes proceed to precision slicing lines inside the enormous Lay's Chips mega factory. Each potato is fed into a centrifugal slicing head equipped with razor-sharp blades calibrated to strict tolerances. Uniform slices are produced within fractions of thickness. Sensors continuously measure output to maintain consistency required for Lay's potato chips. Warehouse systems record pallet locations and prepare shipments. Climate controls maintain optimal storage for Lay's potato chips. This ensures efficient distribution of fresh inventory. From the mega factory, trucks exit to join regional networks.
Dispatch confirmed. Truck 407, you're clear.
Distribution centers receive shipments, allocating to retail.
Pallet 12 for Midwest stores, ready. Control room confirms slice thickness and oil quality are optimal.
Good. The maintenance team is on schedule for the blade replacements.
Seasoning rates and packaging speeds are holding steady. Blades are calibrated and ready. These water reclamation systems filter and recycle the wash water we used earlier in processing. And our heat recovery units capture thermal energy from the fryer exhaust to improve our efficiency. Here, production lines operate in synchronized cycles. Conveyors bring in raw potatoes while finished pallets move out. Fryers maintain constant temperature and seasoning drums rotate steadily. Packaging machines seal from harvested potato fields to final loading docks. Each stage remains integrated within a continuous industrial flow. Agricultural inputs are sliced and dispatched through supply trucks for distribution across markets. Incoming harvest schedules are coordinated with storage capacity inside the enormous Lay's Chips mixed mega freight to ensure variation with slicing decades. Temperature curves and fry durations are recalibrated to maintain consistent color. In the Lay's mega factory, bulk storage bays are ventilated and humidity controlled. Air circulation systems regulate temperature to prevent sprouting. Automated conveyors draw potatoes from storage, feeding them steadily toward washing. This maintains constant throughput for Lay's potato chips. Before entering the slicers, potatoes pass through density separation channels where water flumes separate lighter, underdeveloped potatoes from optimal processing grade material. Only potatoes meeting density thresholds proceed toward becoming Lay's potato chips. Inside the slicing chamber, centrifugal force presses each potato against precision blades. The rotational speed of slicing heads is monitored in real time. Blade sharpness is inspected at scheduled intervals to prevent irregular cuts. High-speed cameras scanning for clusters now. Cluster detected, diverting for uniform cook. Back on track, uniformity preserved.
Within the continuous fryer, oil circulation pumps maintain constant flow to avoid temperature gradients. Heat exchangers, each slice allows store inch grams of forming the crisp matrix that defines Lay's potato chips. Oil turnover rates are calculated to ensure consistent quality. In the blending rooms, automated mixers combine salt, flavor powders, and micro-ingredients in precise ratios. The finished seasoning is transferred through sealed lines to application drums, which evenly coat the chips. Pallet configuration software optimizes stacking geometry to maximize trailer capacity for Lay's potato chips. Stability sensors confirm load balance before applied to each pallet, allow real-time tracking throughout distribution. Pallets of Lay's potato chips are automatically wrapped to preserve freshness. The ASRS retrieves pallets based on shipping priority. Temperature monitoring ensures crispness before dispatch. Sanitation crews operate between shifts to clean slicing heads, fryers, and seasoning drums. Strict hygiene protocols on packing equipment ensure food safety for subsequent batches. This process maintains the quality of products like Lay's potato chips. Oil filtration units operate continuously, removing microparticles and extending usable oil life. Quality teams measure color values of Lay's potato chips against standardized scales. Any drift prompts immediate recalibration of fryer settings. Field harvest cycles align with production forecasts. Storage inventories are managed to avoid shortages. Production lines adjust speed depending on demand forecasts for Lay's potato chips across different markets.
Seasonal transitions require close coordination with growers to maintain our specific potato varieties. Storage rotation ensures older inventory is processed first. This prevents darkening during frying.
Water flumes transport peeled potatoes smoothly to cutting stations. Flow rates are controlled to prevent bruising. Sensors monitor water clarity and trigger filtration cycles. This maintains sanitary conditions for slicing.
Time for a quick blade change. Locked and ready. Gauge confirms going 0.66 inches. Perfect. Back to full speed.
Moisture extraction from each slice is calculated through mass balance monitoring. Data systems estimate water loss rates to confirm that Lay's potato target crisp air quality within the enormous Lay's chips megafactory.
Cooling tunnels extend the length of the processing floor. Ambient and forced air systems gradually reduce the temperature of Lay's potato chips to stabilize texture before seasoning. Rapid cooling prevents condensation inside packaging later in the process. In flavor preparation rooms, bulk ingredient silos store precision augers measure ingredient volumes into blending chambers. Mixing cycles are timed to achieve homogeneous seasoning distribution. The mixture is then transferred to application drums. After seasoning, distribution conveyors split production across parallel packaging lines. Surge hoppers regulate flow to prevent overfeeding of multi-head weighers that portion Lay's potato chips into exact bag quantities.